We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M276nw. So all you have to do is press this little toner icon. It looks like a bag with some dots in it. So on the far right, so hit that one. And you will see your levels here, but sometimes that is not always accurate. Sometimes it is, even with using Remans and the HP brand as well. So it's always good to print your report. So hit report. Then it should start printing. You can find useful information on this page, such as how many pages were printed on this cartridge, when it was originally installed, and much more useful information. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.